Hello everyone. Today we'll learn how to solve problems using both algebraically and graphically using the online calculator DESMOS. Okay. As you know, DESMOS is very useful for visualizing and solving problems graphically. Okay. So now let's do it, how to use it effectively together. Okay. So you can compare which method is better, algebraic or graphically. Okay. All right. So this one is test 7, module 2. Okay, I selected some questions. Okay, can be solved using the DESMOS. Okay. All right. This is number 6. When you take a look over here, we have algebra equation, right? So maybe algebraic, maybe you can solve this way, okay, using cross multiplication. So this way or this way. Okay, 18y equals 6y and plus 24 times 6 is a 144. Okay, so 12y equals and 144 and y equals 12. But y over 6 not variable y. Okay, so y over 6 equals 12 over 6 is 2, right? This is algebraic solutions. And also this one can be solved by using graphically. Okay, so because we have only one equation with one variable, okay, definitely we can use the graph. Okay, I'm show you. This is DESMOS. Just write this equation in this blank. Okay. Okay, 6 over y equals 18 over and y plus 24. Okay, but when you take it over here, the variable y, okay, we don't care about the variable x. The variable y there is here, you can see that. Okay, this value is what? 12, isn't it? 12, right? Yeah. Okay, so y equals 12, 12 divided by 6 is 2. Okay, you can solve this one using this DESMOS. Okay, but in this case, I think algebraic is better, right? Okay, you can compare. Okay, the next one over here, number 11. So given the equation of the line in the form 3x minus 4y plus 4, you don't have to express y, okay, in terms of x, right, to make graph. Okay, we can use this one, okay, this. Okay, find the equation of the line that is parallel. First one, you can use, you can see over here, parallel means what? It should be proportional to this one. To be parallel, 3x minus 4y is parallel, or 6x minus 8y, okay, 9x minus 12y. Okay, they are all parallel, right? So this is not working. Only C and D is working, right? Out of this one, you can find which lines pass through was 6 and negative 2. Okay, so algebraic, you can put this number 6 and negative 2 in the equation. Okay, when x equals 6, that is 18 minus y is negative 2 is negative 4 times negative 2 is a positive 8 plus 26 equals 0? No, not 0, okay? That is what? Let me see, 26, 52, right? Okay. The next one is the same thing, but the last one is negative. 18 plus 8 minus 26 is 0, okay? So choice D is the answer. This is the algebraic solution, okay? Now we're going to use DESMOS, okay? Here we go. First one, you can type this one, okay? Find what is the graph of this one. You don't have to express y in terms of s, okay? Just type this one, 3x and minus 4y and plus 5 equals 0, okay? This is the graph. The next one, okay, write down over here, 3x and minus 4y and plus 26 equals to 0. This is the graph, but 2 is over here, right? When over 2, y is 8, not negative 2, right? So change this sign again. That is option D, right? Minus 26. Minus 26 over here. Okay. 2, 6 over here. Sorry, 6. This is negative 2, right? Okay. So we can check right the point over here, okay? So which method is better, algebraically or graphically, okay? The next one over here. All right, number 14, okay? Also, this one also we can use the graphic, okay? Take a look over here. This is algebraically, first one, okay? Translate 4 unit up means what? Replace y with what? Y minus 4, right? That is positive 4 unit up, right? This is negative down, okay? When you have negative, y minus 4 is y plus 4, right? That's going to be y plus 4. That is what? 4 unit down. So this is the 4 unit replaced with y minus 4. The other one is 5 unit to the right. Replace x is what? X minus 5. This number is positive. That is moved to the right. Replace over here, okay? So y minus 4 equals to x minus 5 and minus 3. Okay? So this is y. So put this number. Y equals 2. You don't have to expand this, okay? And my plus 4 both sides, positive 1, right? But this time, this is g of x. That's right? Okay. Now put this number x equals 0 now. What is y? When x equals 0, 2 times negative 5, x equals 0, okay? And plus 1 equals negative 9, right? That is the value of g over 0, okay? Or you can use DESMOS too. Anyway, we're gonna replace with y with y minus 4, right? Because 4 units up. So y minus 4 equals 2 and x minus 5 and plus 3. Oops. 2x minus 5, okay? Yeah. That's the graph. Where is the y-intercept here? Y minus 4 equals 2 times x minus, sorry, this is minus 3, right? Sorry. So where is the y-intercept? G over 0, okay? All the way down over here. This is the y-intercept, okay? This one, DESMOS approach is very useful, okay? All right, so minus 9 is the answer, okay? The number 19. When you have this type of questions, inequality also can be solved by using DESMOS, but definitely this one is graphical solution is the best, okay? When you have this type of questions, use DESMOS, okay? I recommend. Okay, this one is what? We have inequalities. What is the maximum possible value of B? Because A and B is the solution. So B is y coordinate, right? A is x coordinate. You gotta find the B, right? At what point this value is the highest, okay? So try this one. This one you can use decimal, definitely, okay? This is a less than a negative 10x and the plus 2100. Oops, that's too much. This is the graph, okay, inequality. The next one is y equals less than or equals again 4x. That's it. Where are your solutions? Can you see that over here? This is a solution, this set, okay, overlapped two colors. This is solutions. Okay. Where is the maximum? This point. At this point, it had max highest point, right? Okay. Highest point. Let me see. You have to give intersection of here, okay? Yeah, anyway, 600. Yeah. Oops, 600. Okay. So only option D are at 600, right? All other three numbers is very low number. Okay. So anyway, 600 is what maximum of value of B. Okay. But this one is DESMOS is very useful. Okay. When you have this one, use the DESMOS. Okay. Choice D is the answer. Actually, this is a graph looks like this. This one is 2100, and this one is 4 over x, y equal 4 over x less than. This is a solution set. The highest point is, of course, at this point. So we're going to solve, right, these two equations, right, intersection. So negative 10x plus 2100 equals 4x. 14x equals what? 2100. X equals what? 150, isn't it? But we're going to find the value of y, okay? B is by y coordinate. Put this number into what any equations. How about this one? This is the easy one, okay? 4 times 150 is 600, okay? So which one is better? Yeah, both will be okay, right? Okay. Now the next one is number 20. We have radical equations. DESMOS is it's okay. We can use this DESMOS, okay, to solve this one. First one is separate. This is a y1. This is a y2. We're gonna find the intersection, okay. All right. So y equals square root x plus 4. And the other one is y equals x minus 2. Okay. Here is the graph. Okay. Here is the graph. So this is intersection. Okay. So x equals 5 is the answer, right? Only one. Okay. X equals 5 is the answer. But when you solve this one in the algebraically, there are two solutions. One is what? Extraneous. That is not real solution, okay? I'm going to show you this one. When you make a square both sides, x minus plus 4 equals x squared minus 4x and plus 4, right? 4 is cancelled out. You got this one, 0 equals x squared minus 5x. When you fact this one, x and x minus 5 equals 0. We have two solutions, x equals 0 and 5. But this one cannot be the solution, right? Because when x equals 0, negative, or 0, that is positive, that is what? Square root 4 is 2, this is negative, so they are not equal, right? So this is solution is called an extraneous solution, okay? So 5. How about this one? When you make a square over here, this is a square over here, we got another graph there. It looks like this. This is only one graph. This is the correct graph. When you make a square, okay, they got one more, another fake graph over there, okay? I'm going to show you, okay? Square root, minus square root, okay? Minus square root x plus 4, it happens over here, right? That's with two solutions. One is 5, the other one is 0, okay? But this 0 is not real solution, right? Extraneous solutions. This is a fake solution, okay? All right. That's why 5 is the answer. Also, you can use algebraically or graphically. It doesn't matter, okay? All right. Okay, number 24. So we have the graph over here. So when x equals 4, it has a vertical asymptote. That means that at this value of x, or at this value of a vertical line, there is undefined, right? There is no value of y, okay? So we have this rational equation, right? Denominator must have, right, 0 at x equals what? 4 here, right? Okay, that is vertical asymptote, isn't it? But which one is passed through by this one, 2 and 6? Maybe you can use the DESMOS too. I'm going to explain. So y equals 2 over x minus 4. This is out. So totally different graph, right? Totally different graph. That's not the solution, right? Okay, try the next one, number 2. That is 6 over here. Also different graph, right? Okay. The next is negative 12. Negative 12. Very similar, but check it out. 2 and 6. Where is the 2 and 6? This one around. Yep, that's true, right? Yeah, choice C is the answer. If this is negative 8, that is not 2 and 6, right? This one is 2 and 4, right? Yeah, that's not true. So choice C is the answer, okay? And also algebraically, okay? Just so we know that x equals 4, the rational equation must have a denominator x minus 4. They're all x minus 4. Okay, just put this number. Now, it should be passed through this 6 and 2 and 6. You have to check right quickly, okay? When y equals 6, x equals 2 is what? 2 minus 4 is a negative 2. They are not equal. The next is 6 equals 6 over 2 minus 4. That is equals what? 2 minus negative 2, not equals to 6. Okay, negative 12, y equals 6, negative 12 over 6 minus 4 is 2. I'm sorry, 2 minus negative 2. That is equals 6, right? That's true. This is not working anyway, okay? So there are two possible right ways always, okay? So you can use DESMOS or algebraically. You can solve it this way. Let me see. Okay, here is another number 26. This is a quadratic equation, k is constant. The equation has exactly one solution. This is a quadratic equation. To have one solution, it's discriminant. Usually we use discriminant. Okay, discriminant equals what? B squared minus 4 times AC. Okay, algebraically. So B is what? 2k. That is 4k squared and minus 4 times hk. C is negative 5. Must be equals to 0, right? So 4k squared and plus 20k equals 0. But k is constant and quadratic. K cannot be equals to 0. Okay, you gotta be careful, okay? K cannot be equals to 0. So you can say, okay, 4k is out, k plus 5 equals 0, right? This one cannot be 0. It should be 0 here. K plus 5 equals 0, okay? K equals negative 5 is the answer. Okay, also you can use DESMOS to solve this one, okay? I'm going to show you. This is the graph. Y equals and y equals 0. This is the y equals kx graph. But the value of k is already given over here, okay? Already given. So we check, right? 0, negative 2, negative 4, negative 5 until we find the correct one, okay? So we have first one, y equals 0. Second one is kx graph, okay? K is y equals 0 is what? Minus 5, okay? So y equals minus 5. Okay? There's no intersection. That's not correct. Okay? All right. Second one is minus 2. Okay? Minus 2 is what? Minus 2 x squared and 2k to minus 2 is what? Negative 4, right? Negative 4x and minus 5. Okay. So but 2 intersection, right? So that's not solutions. Okay, this is out, this is out. Okay, put this number negative 4 there, okay? Negative 4, or this is negative 4. And the other one is negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. And minus 5, okay? Still, there's no solution, right? Y equals 0, okay? There's no intersections, okay? This is out, okay? Y equals 0, okay? No intersection, right? The last one, negative 5. This is negative 5, and this is negative 10, and 5. As you can see, y equals 0, this graph has only one intersection, okay? Choice D is this, okay? So which one is better? Sometimes, okay, graphic solution is okay, but actually it takes time, right? If you are very strong in algebraic method, okay? I like algebraic, okay? All right. Anyway, if you don't know right how to solve this algebraically, use a graphic solution, okay? All right. Yeah. So we tried some questions using DESMOS today, okay? All right. So I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for joining the class, okay?